year 2014 to 2015 is off to a good start. This is based on assessment of authorities that the opening of classes nationwide was generally smooth, peaceful, and orderly. Education officials estimated the number of students who trooped to schools today at some 21 million. At the Batasan National High School in Quezon City, school officials encountered no problems, as we hear from Sweden Velado.
More than 21 million public school students from kinder to secondary levels go back to school on the first Monday of June. In Batasan Hills National High School, parents are confident that there is stable security for their children through the presence of police officials providing assistance within the vicinity of the school.
Mas maganda para paglabas ng mga anak namin, naka-save sila. Sa mga magulang naman, wag na silang mangangamba kasi may ano na tayo dyan eh. May mga task force, may mga security guard, marami namang ano. Saka malapit lang tayo sa ano. Sa ano ito? Headquarters.
Police Inspector Reynold Tobias brightly shared that no incidents or negative reports have been received since they started patrolling at 5 a.m.
Sa ngayon po, kakanta kami ng police assistance. Meron kaming police assistance center dyan na any moment, kung magkakaroon ng problema yung mga estudyante natin, ay pwede silang lumapit at matugunan ang kanilang problema. Sa ngayon, simula kaninang mga alas 4 na madaling araw, hanggang ngayon po ay wala pong incidenting na report sa amin at o reklamo man lang na nagkaroon ng problema sa mga estudyante.
The school is equipped with CCTV cameras and MMDA traffic enforcers also joined the Oplan Balik Eskwela to ensure that class dismissal will not affect the traffic flow. Classes in the morning start at 6 a.m. and end at 4:40 p.m., while afternoon shift is from 1 p.m. to 7:40 in the evening. 1 hour is allotted to teach each subject. In addition, teachers are fully equipped for continuous implementation of the K-12 curriculum because they participated trainings and workshops last summer. For other concerns, our fellow citizens may contact the help desks of DepEd located at its provincial offices and school divisions nationwide. For People's Television, this is Sweden Velado.